Hi children, in this class we are going to learn about how to put comma in Indian system. Okay, here some numbers are there. Rewrite the numbers by putting comma in Indian system. What is this? Indian system. Okay, we have to place the commas in Indian system. What is the first question? 273264. Here how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. So 6 place values write down from ones. Okay. First draw the box. How many digits total? 6 digits are there. So 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now write down the place values. Yes, ones, tens, next hundreds, next what? Very good. Thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. So I have written 6 place values. After that write down these digits in the correct position. 4 in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, 3 is in thousands place, very good, 7 is in 10,000s place and 2 is in lakhs place write down. Now separate these periods. Up to here, which period? Ones or tens or hundreds. These three places makes which period? Yes, ones period. Right? This is ones period. So 1 comma comes here. Right? Next thousands and 10,000s. Thousands and 10,000. These two place values makes thousands period. So 1 comma comes here up to thousands place. Here no, so put comma. This is what? Lakhs. In lakhs place we have lakhs and 10 lakhs. Right? So here we have 6 digits only. So I didn't write 10 lakhs place. Ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. I have separated these periods by comma. Up to here ones period. So these periods separated by what? Comma. Now write 273264. Write down this number name. Now we can write number name easily. 2 lakhs 73. 73 is what? Thousands. 2 lakhs, comma 73,000 and 73,000 completed. Next ones. What are the ones? 264. That is 264. Okay. 264. 64. Have you understand? First count the digits. How many digits are there in a number? After that write down the place values. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. By seeing the place values, write down the given digits. Okay. In this place value box. After that separate the periods by comma. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds makes ones period. No. So next write after ones period, next thousands period. Thousands and 10,000s makes thousands period. Lakhs and 10 lakhs makes lakhs period. So here after every period comma comes. Ones period after 1 comma comes. Thousands period after 1 comma comes. So 2,73,264. Here also same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6 digit number is there. Try to write yourself only. Big question. Okay, next come to this 2, 3, 6, 5, 4, 7, 1, 5. How many digits are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many are there? 8 digits. This is the 8 digit number. So place values write down. 8 place values write down. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 8 digit number, right? So 8 place values write down. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, next 10,000s, next very good lakhs, 10 lakhs and what? Crores. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. By counting digits write down the place values here. After that in every place write down the digit. In ones place 5, next 1, very good, 7, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2. Okay. Write down the periods here. Up to hundreds period we have ones period, right? In ones period we have ones, tens, hundreds. Next thousands and 10,000s makes what? Thousands period, right? Thousands period. This is thousands period. And lakhs and 10 lakhs is lakhs period. And this is what? Crores. Crores period. Crore. Here no 10 crore digit is there, so I didn't write 10 crore place. Now separate these periods. Here one comma comes, right? And here and here. In this number 3 commas comes. Ones period after comma, thousands period after 1 comma, lakhs period after 1 comma. So ones period here after 3 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3 digits after 1 comma comes. Next after 2 digits after 1 comma comes. Next again 2 periods of 2 place values after 1 comma comes. 6 and 3. Now read 2 crore 36 lakhs 54,715, right? Write down here. 2 is what? Crores. 2 crores, comma 36 lakhs. 36 lakh. 2 crore 36 lakhs 54,000. 54,000. Next, how many hundreds? 700. 715. 700. Here what we have done? We have written the given number in place value chart. Okay, we have separated the periods by comma and written number name. Okay, next number also same. 1369458. Here how many digits? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. So write down place values. 7 place values write down. After that periods write down. Okay, then separate the periods by comma. After 3 places after 1 comma comes. Next after 2 places after comma comes. Next after 2 places 1 comma comes. Then by seeing the digits write down the number. Okay, next equation is C. 20163457 This is large number. I am explaining this equation. This is C question, right? B question is homework and D also homework. Please try to write and send your answers through the comments. Next 20163457 How many digits are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are there. So write down ones, tens, next hundreds, thousands, next 10,000s, next yes lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crore. Okay, 9 place values are there. Total Indian system is there here. Now write down the digits. 8, 8 ones, 7 tens, 5 hundreds, 4 thousands, 3 10,000s, 6 lakhs, 1 10 lakhs and 0 and next is 2. Okay, up to here ones period. So here 1 comma comes. 1, 2, 3 digits after 1 comma comes. Next what? Thousands period. This is what? Thousands period, no? So thousands period after 1 comma comes. This is lakhs period. 1, 2. 2 digits after 1 comma comes. In lakhs period 2 digits are there. So 2 digits after 1 comma comes. This is lakhs period and this is thousands period and this is what? Crores period. Okay, now read 20 crore 16 lakhs. Very good. Next what? 34,578. Okay, try to write number here. 20 is what? 20 is in which period? Crores. So 20 crores, next comma 16 lakhs, 16 lakhs, 34,000, 34,000. Next how many hundreds are there? 578. 578. 578. Okay. This is a very large number, 9-digit number. Count the digits in a given number and try to write place values. After that, separate that periods by comma. Then write the number name after placing comma. Okay. Hope you understand this class, children. If you like my class, please like it, share it and subscribe it.